If you're ready, get your popcorn and your drinks, girls. I'm ready. I'm so ready for this. So let's go. Hello guys, welcome back to Veeology. Well, today is the reveal to our 1 room 6-week challenge, and it's hosted by Wani. So guys, if you want to know what my son's bedroom looked like on the restoration theme, so you know what to do. Stay tuned. Okay guys, first, this challenge is hosted by my beautiful sister, Wani at Wani's house. So guys, we have been on this for 6 weeks, and it has been absolutely so much fun for me. So, to bring all the way down from week 1 to the reveal today, week 6, our first week was showing what space you were going to do and give your budget. So our week 2 was to give you a vision board of the things that we would like to do or change in your space. So that was week 2. So week 3 was showing you our progress. What have we done? Whether we painted, pull up carpet, do new walls, what did you do as far as the progress to your space? So week 4 was to upcycle something or to do a DIY. So week 5 was your haul. That was just last week. So today, guys, is the reveal. Yes, guys, the reveal. So guys, what I'm going to do first is take you down memory lane from week 1 to week 5, and then I am going to show you my space. So, we are getting ready to go down a little bit of memory lane. Memory lane, it is time for me to give you the ultimate reveal. So if you're ready, get your popcorn and your drinks, girls. I'm ready. I'm so ready for this. So let's go.
To what people say they don't know about you and me. Put it out your mind, cause it's jealousy. They don't know about this here. Don't listen to what people say they don't know about you and me. Put it out your mind, cause it's jealousy. They don't know about this here. Your love so real, I'd be a fool to play. my angel. Don't listen to what people say. They don't know about you and me. Put it out your mind, 'cause it's jealousy. They don't know about this.
So guys, this is their space. I absolutely love it. The guys did help out tremendously. After working with the back wall, I did not want to paint it because you know when you're working with black, it is so much accused you have to use to break down this white. So I was like, I did not want to do it. So guys, I had the wallpaper. The wallpaper was not giving me the look that I wanted. So guys, can you believe what this is? You know I always do something on the budget. You know I always think outside of the box. This is black matte. It's coming off a shine because of the light, but this is black matte wrapping paper. Yeah, wrapping paper from Hobby Lobby. So guys, and I'm changing downstairs so much. I decided to bring these pictures up here because it went so perfect with what was going on in their bedroom. I shot my home with a lot of things. So the pictures were one thing. Their picture lights, you probably can see it. I'm gonna bring it up closer. So the picture lights, they were downstairs. I have new picture lights for downstairs. And my bamboo tree, after further consideration, I was getting ready to purchase a fig leaf tree, and I kept asking them, I said, are y'all going to take care of the tree? And my oldest one was looking at me, and my other one's looking at me, and I was like, okay, no, what I'm going to do, y'all going to do an artificial tree. So I think it absolutely fit in here. It's bringing some green in here. Then I have the bunny tails over there. To me, guys, when I walk in here, I'm like, it is screaming young men. I absolutely love their space. And if you don't remember what this space looked like before, this is what it used to look like. So guys, of course I told you I could not do anything over here on this side so much because of course you know my son does his music, and also now he is a business owner. So he does all of his things here. So that was left there. The beds, my freebies, my freebies. So the beds, I would just say I spend $20, okay? $25 is what I basically spent for both because of the leather. Pleather, still, it was cheap. So this lamp, I absolutely love. So they can change this in so many directions. And I found the lamp off of Facebook Marketplace, guys. And you know, I am that Facebook Marketplace shopper. Yes. So on Facebook Marketplace, I found that lamp for $5. I had already ordered one from Walmart.com. I canceled my order. When I saw that, I was like, what? And you how far away? You're 40 minutes away. I'm on the way. I'm on the way. So yes, I picked that lamp up for $5. So guys, are you ready for the total reveal of how much I spent in this space? You know you girl, that budget girl. You know I'm that budget girl. So at first I said my budget was $300. And then I took it back by $50. And I said, no, I'm not going to go over $250. So guys, because I was so under budget, I decided to give their room something else. This clock matched their television stand, so perfect. I just touch it as I'm filming. I will show you exactly what it would do. So this is their clock. It's a wooden clock. This clock, well, it just did it. It just cut off, and you usually can clap your hands and it comes back on. Guys, I think my 21-year-old absolutely love this clock. It tells you your RH percent. It tells you what temperature it is inside. It tells you your time. Also, you can run it off batteries, which that's what I have in here, rechargeable batteries. But also you get the cord, the USB to plug it up, guys. So I was so under budget, I decided to give my boys this clock, which I will link it down below. I love this clock so much. I'm getting ready. I'm going to redo my daughter's room, and I'm going to purchase her a white one. I love these little clocks, guys. Love them. So, after me running my mouth, are you ready for me to tell you what I spent? Can you guess? Can you get? You know I'm frugal. You know I'm frugal. And also, my dad did give them their bedding. I bought their throws and their pillows. My dad gave them that, the planner stand. It was like $10, $15 that I did end up paying. It was $30. I had some things that I need to return at Home Goods. So I was just like, when I found it, I was like, okay. And then they marked it down $10. So I ended up spending like $15 for that. But my dad, after I told him, my dad sent me the $15. So really, my dad purchased that. So also, this is not a dresser over here. This is where they keep their HBA items, all of their gadgets, such as their cars, their iPod 2s, Pros, or whatever they are. So they keep that over there. So I wanted to make sure everything in their space, it had a space. Also, guys, this mirror, I've changed downstairs. So I decided to bring them a mirror because I was like, you know, I didn't have this on my vision board, but instead of pictures, I think y'all need a mirror. So after having some of the white in the pictures, the mirror looked perfect. It's just, and my 21-year-old JJ was like, Mama, I love the mirror here. I love it. So guys, now, I know I'm running my mouth. It's like, will you give me the budget? When you tell me how much you spend? Guys, I spent, drum roll, I spent $100, I did say 100, $191.13. Scarred! Yes, guys. Shopping my home, shopping Facebook Marketplace. This time, I did not go in no Goodwill because usually, yes, I go in Goodwill. But I've been finding so many good things on Facebook Marketplace. I'm in a military area where I live. It's kind of like upscale. So these people basically give away their things. So, yeah, I spent under $192. Who would have knew? And time. That's it. $192. So guys, this is their space. This is their space. They absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. So I will be taking you on my journey as I do my daughter's bedroom. So please do stay tuned for that. Wani, thank you so much for this. Because I kept telling my boys, I kept telling your nephews, boys, we need to change up your room. Although it's two of y'all, you need to change it. It need to look a little masculine. It was like, Mama, our room is fine. This gave me the opportunity when I said, Auntie Wani has a collab. Boom, it's your room. I started telling them what I wanted. I wanted the restoration theme. I wanted to look masculine. They was like, okay. So, Auntie Wani, thank you. Thank you, Auntie Wani. So, guys, after all of this, 6 weeks, I do believe it's beautiful. I am so ready now to go and look at everybody. So I'm so ready to see so many people's faces. I'm so ready. I hope y'all did enjoy my space. Wani, once again, thank you so much for this collab. Girlfriend, we got to have another collab going on because this was fun. This was fun. So guys, please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Please do share it out with a neighbor, a friend, a cousin, aunt, uncle, the uncle of the aunt, cousin. Share it all out. And you know I always say at the end, I gotta go, but I will be back. Until the next time, guys. Bye.
You're my angel. Don't listen to what people say. They don't know about you and me. Put it out your mind, cause it's jealousy. They don't know about this here. Don't listen to what people say. They don't know about you and me. Put it out your mind, cause it's jealousy. They don't know about this here. Don't listen to what people say. They don't know about you and me. Put it out your mind, cause it's jealousy. They don't know about this here. Don't listen